This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so thanks for waiting, everybody. So till yesterday, we was working on the execution of the order management. You all could understand how every sales document will work in the front end in terms of execution, and we could see the outcome of pre-sales, post-sales, and contracts. Now, moving forward, as I informed yesterday, we'll start with special scenarios. That is, today we are going to work on free goods. So when I say free goods, this is the scenario to be understandable. So free goods are of two types, inclusive and exclusive. So if I give an example saying buy 10 eggs and take one egg free, that means when you buy 10, you'll get one egg free. So if inclusive, you buy 10, you pay for 9, you get 10th free. If exclusive, you buy 10, you pay for 10, you get 11th free. So please try to understand this logic. What I said yesterday, for example, buy 5 jeans and get 1 jeans free. You see this, right? Buy 5 shirts and get 1 shirt free. So mostly what you see, you buy 5, you pay for 4, you get fifth free, for example. So 99.9% mostly inclusive works. In which situation exclusive works? Think when the stock is about to expire. Company want to promote with some offers so that they can clear the stock, right? So execution wise, company may work as per their preference, but customizing wise, we got to make all. Okay, so understand this logic here. So here the logic what you all need to understand is we customize the free good controls now, and we connect it to the pricing controls, so that offer will be recognized from the free good controls, and price will be recognized from pricing controls. So let's see how to work on this now. So let me log in. So go back to the IMG screen, SAP reference IMG, scroll down, sales and distribution down, basic functions. Here where you see pricing down, you'll see free goods, condition techniques of free goods. Now again you'll see all table, access type, procedure. So you need to make one by one. Now you may think, sir, we made table in the pricing. No, can I use that here? See, what you made in pricing, that is for pricing controls. What you're making here, that is for free good controls. Now, why I made these special topics connected to pricing after in SQL? When you see The condition techniques theme one again and again for multiple topics. Your understandability will become strong. Right? So please understand here. The table, I need to give a number. I give some number and I say Rasim condition table free. And here only we have with valid period. There is no release status concept because it is we are customizing means it is executable purpose only. So in the front end, the offer should be valid. That's the reason with valid period is there. Okay. So sales organization, distribution channel, customer group, material. Now think in some see customer group I have added in this index. In some servers you may not see. If some fields are not there in the field catalog, how to add over here? I want to remove something from here. How? Say if we go to field catalog here, for example, target group ID. Select, I'll remove it. I'm just removed from the index. 13 fields are there now. Okay. If I come to make the table here now, so it is not showing target group of ID. So any field you want to show in this list, any field you want to remove from this list, where it happens? It happens here. So new entries, drop down. From here you can, for example, base units of measurement. Double click on it. Continue. Continue. Back. So we'll see 14th field base units of measurements is added. So like this you can make your own index with what to be presentable in the front end. Front end means in the table while making. Alright. So you can add to the index, you can deduct from the index. And where and it has an effect when you are making a table, here you will see the effect based on some measurement. So like this you can add or you can remove the field which got to be presentable in the index. Okay, so that's the concept. So here I say what maximum condition table free. Again, I select the fields in the same sequence. Let a sales organization for a distribution channel according to the customer group or material. Generate. Now 5, 7, 8 is already defined with the same fields. Okay, so it is there, which is made by some among like you and me. It is not as a standard, so ignore. Generate and say yes. I'm making 676 for our purpose. Access sequence, new entries here again. Like how we made access sequence during pricing control, same here. Number, so I say GRAA, Rasim access sequence free. Select the line, double click on access, then new entries, number one. And if I click on the drop down here, it shows all the tables. So what is our made? Grasim. And number two, I am selecting one popular table 010. Enter, 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 enter till all the descriptions up. Now you need to activate them. Select the line, double click on fields. Until the fields within the table get activated, it says the field assignment has not yet been made. So just continue till it takes, see here. It is sales org for a distribution channel according to the customer group or material. So my table made is with these fields. So the sales organization is a part to announce an offer, outlet is a part to announce an offer, customer group is a part to announce an offer, and finally the material for which you are announcing an offer. So the standard table in the system, what it says, it is sales org for a distribution channel for a customer the offer. See the difference. Our made is focusing a segment. System standard is focusing a customer. So ours is a wide scope. System standard is a single scope. Understand, please. Okay, so save it. Our request. See, Grasim. Continue. Right. So condition type now. Now here we go by new entries. If you remember previously when we was working on pricing controls, customizing, there we copied from system standard because the layout got a wider scope. But here we will not copy, not required because it is a single field layout. Because pricing is for multi-source, multi-purpose for multiple activities. Here the free goods is for only single activity. See. So I say what class GRAC classic condition type GRAA. So when I use this condition type to announce an offer, the fields will be sourced from this particular access sequence, which are base for you to calculate an offer. Saved. Continue. Back. Back. Now maintain pricing procedure. Click on the IMG activity here. Now here also again the same. What? Here also the same concept, that is during the pricing controls we was copying from RVW01, but here no need to copy, it is a single activity declaration. When I say single activity declaration, just say new entries, it's only for free goods. So here I say GRAFRP, grasping free procedure. Select the line, double click on control data, new entries. Now step counter condition. So here I click on the drop down. I just give the condition. What is the condition our made? Grasp G. That's all. Defaultly, first number it picks up as 0. Okay. So we are given the request over here. All right. So within our made procedure, our made condition type is connected. I'll save it. Continue. Back, 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 back. So you made the table which was connected to access. You made the type in which access is maintained. You made the procedure in which type is maintained. Same. Now the point is activate free good determination. What is the concept of activation? I am bridging the relation between the pricing controls and the free good controls. I need to bridge the relation between the pricing controls and the free good controls. That happens over here. So click on position, find the sales organization GRAS. These all are the sales areas what we have been made. So at a sales organization for a distribution channel based on the division according to the document pricing procedure, according to the customer pricing procedure, whatever free good procedure I connect over here, based on that the offer will be recognized. So drop down, grasp it. The free goods are activated through free good procedure here. So you are bridging the relation between the pricing controls and free good controls. Because when the sale is happening in this sales area, when the sale is happening in this sales area, using a customer which is maintained with this customer pricing procedure, using a document which is maintained with this document pricing procedure, whatever offer has been declared using the condition type maintained in this procedure, the offer will trigger. It is understood there is some offer. It is understood the offer will be recognized. So that's the logic of clarity. So let's see how this works. Save it. Continue. Back, 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 back. Refresh. Customizing part we have done now. Declaration now. So logistics, sales and distribution, master data, then conditions down we have free goods VBN1. So here discount type, that is what we made just now, that is discount type, condition type, all is same, GRASM. And key combinations, if I click over it shows our made table, standard table. I'll select my table. Okay, same like how we made the pricing controls, slight difference here, it is offer declaration. So GRAS, and here GF. Customer group, very important. What customer group you maintain in customer master data and what customer group you are maintaining here for calculating the offer, both should match. If things are not matching, you will not get the output. Remember, please. And here, valid from today to, I want you all to give 1 day validity. Yesterday, also, in the end of the session, I was saying these are the special scenarios. If you see, if you customize them maintaining for long validity, when multiple scenarios you are customizing, today we are doing this, tomorrow we do something, when these all you are making SQL, when all are active, they may get clashed in the backend and you may not see the output. So give 1 day validity. Today I am announcing an offer. Offer is expired by today itself. Again tomorrow the server is fresh. That is, server means your structure, organization structure, what you made is fresh. You can activate another scenario. Give it for tomorrow's validity only. Then day after tomorrow again something. So if you do in such way, without any inconvenience, you can see the outputs. So here you are learning every day. I'm teaching a topic, but it is not must all these topics should be activated at a time in the company. Logically, if you think so, giving 1 day validity will makes your structure organized, refreshed, and you can see your customized activity output also without any inconvenience or issue. So give 1 day validity. Why you understood now? I say I give Rasim hyphen 100. This product minimum quantity is 1. Offer starts from 5. And how many are free goods? 1. And this is units of measurement. While creating the material, what you can always we give each EA. Enter. So this product minimum is 1 because I cannot sell a half product. Can you sell half pant? No, right? One only should be. One trouser only should be. I cannot sell half trouser. Half shirt I cannot. So 1 is the minimum quantity. Offer starts from 5. Say Grassam Denim IC Wash 2024. This is the model. And this product 1, there is an offer. When you buy 5, you will get 1 as free. That's the logic. So how much is free? 20%. This is inclusive. 5 includes 1. Are free goods. That means 4 is chargeable, 1 is not chargeable. If exclusive, before you save it, you can decide. Select the line, click on exclusive here. So the layout is in exclusive mode here. See, buy 1, sorry, minimum quantity 1, buy 5, added free good is 1. That is 5 plus 1, 6. This is added. And now here you can see, say, buy a trouser, get a belt free, or buy a trouser, get a pair of socks free, buy a trouser, get a pair of, what you say, uh, cufflinks free, anything it can be offer. Or buy a pencil, get a pen free. Sorry, buy a pen, get a pencil free. Buy a pencil, get a rubber free. You see this, right? So the second product can be given here, but here it doesn't work. Not only in this server, none of the servers we see it works. But in the live servers, you can give an alternative product here. So here the same product we can see as exclusive if you want. So understand the second product as if you got to give as free, that can be given added free goods over here. Or else the same can be considerable as sixth product as free. So before you come out of the layout, you can decide whether it should be inclusively saved or exclusively saved. So which one will have most usable means inclusive. Alright, concept is same. Save it. Just 5 plus 1 or 5 includes 1, that's all. So we made the condition back. Now refresh. Now please remember one point. Sometimes you may not get to see the output immediately because being a public server, multiple people are using, it may respond or not, one point. Or if you might have made any mistake, it may not respond. That is second point. So when you are not getting the output, don't worry. Why I am saying this? There was situations where I had not got the output in the class, but following the same customizing steps trainees when done, they got the output. So if you're not getting the output, don't worry. Try after some time. Okay. So, sir, in the live also it works. Yes, in the live also it happens. Then how they fix up? During the live server, real time, real work environment also this happens. So there will be a administration and a BAPR will be constantly working on the tables, will be constantly working on the logical links, refreshing them. So it will be overcome. Here on a timeline base, the server will get refreshed automatically, wherein you can see the refresh rate happening, then it will respond. So why I'm saying, I see some people, sir, I made everything correct. I'm not getting output. Don't worry. Leave for some time. Definitely you'll get. Okay, so that's the concept. Now moving forward, I'm creating an order VO01. GRA3 2G, enter, give the sold party. If you give 1, there will be no response. You need to give 5. Enter. Continue. See, it is becoming 1. That means scroll up. Watch me carefully. Lot of information you can notice here. System is taking the reference of header item at the higher level of the sub item here. That means the cost of this sub item includes the cost of header item. This is higher level field. So what is the concept? If you all remember when I was teaching the sales document customizing, usage we left as blank. Higher level we left as blank. I say you'll see the usage and high level responding automatically in the front end. This sales transaction usage is for free goods execution. According to the usage, the higher level will respond. I say, what does it mean? Buy 5 and get 1 free. 4 is chargeable, so TAN. 1 is not chargeable, so TANN. I also said this, whenever an N is preceding with other N, it is an indication of free of cost. So this is not chargeable, this is chargeable. So you can see the supportive item categories coming in automatically. First point, you can see the higher level getting reflected automatically. Reference of main product to the sub item, which makes the item category to change to TANN. That means this one is free for this product. If I just scroll aside, you can see 2399 is the cost of the. So here after adding up the freight, this is the amount, delivery and handling charges. But here it is showing only 200. It is not showing the complete amount. Product is free, but the delivery and handling charges should be given, it is saying. You want to waive off this also? Yes, select the line, go to item conditions. Here remove enter 0. So 23999. Here you can see R100 is got activated. Free goods customizing activity made R100 activated in the database. The free good controls customizing effects during the pricing with reference to R100. So just now we made the free good controls that makes R100 recognized here automatically. If free good controls is not customized, the condition will not be. If the condition will not be, then no 100% discount, no offer, no free. See, 100% that is free. 2399 less 100% final price 0. So I waived off the offer also. I mean the delivery and handling charges also. So 2399 outer column 0. Like this you should get. So that's the outcome of free goods. Understand the point and try to work as how I have been shown. If you're not getting, don't worry. Leave the servers for some time. Definitely you'll get up to some time. So that's about the free goods in terms of customizing. That's about free goods in terms of execution. Now, the next special scenario, what we're going to see on Monday, it is all about the say. Let me put it in very simple. Say normally we go to a pharmacy store, medical shop to buy some medicines. So we take the prescription written by the doctor to the store, and the store person enters something in the system. We frequently hear one saying, "Sir, the same medicine, but I have for other company. I have of other company. Would you like to buy it?" You are buying or not, that is secondary. What is the point here? When the entered material is not available, automatically the alternative material should get swiped. So that is the scenario for our tomorrow session. I mean, tomorrow means Monday session. So to justify this scenario, I'm going to customize the layout and we see the outcome of this. All right. So once these special scenarios are been done, the major part we are left out will be shipping and billing. In shipping, you will be seeing a lot of cross functionalities. Again, FI, MM, WM, lot of integrations. As per the latest new versions, the integrations are more in depth to understand. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to show the integration process in the latest updated layout, which you can work in this version, you can work in the updated version also. So the pattern of customizing is the updated. So I'll be showing you the error and I'll showing you the solution. So GL account missing, then you may not understand why we make a GL account directly. I show the GL account missing error and I'll take you to the finance to fix up GL. So in cloud architecture, integrations are very strong. That is connecting other modules made mandatory to execute the module. A lot of new integrated areas are being activated. So that automation setup. So you'll be learning all those. It will be very interesting. I made it simple. If server supports, things go very smoothly. So that's about shipping and the billing documents. It's the layouts we customize and we connect it to the documents. So after these file scenarios, which will be done by Tuesday, the left out will be shipping and billing. And once we are through with this, you will be seeing one full end-to-end life cycle of, or you will be seeing one full end-to-end transaction cycle of O to C, order to cash, using every activity which we made by Grassi. So by seeing that, you'll be seeing complete outcome, and that is what is our left out for concluding. So things goes faster means not me rush up, outputs everything. So next week, almost mid of upcoming week, if we work in the same pace, leisurely we can conclude. And I am prepared some documentation. By reading my prepared documentation, trainees are clearing their interviews without any inconvenience. And recently, one of the persons scored 95% in a certification exam conducted by SAP Germany. And other day, one person scored almost 98%, just two marks. So even the guys who take the course with SAP authorized, they may not also not score this much. And a popular reading book with all latest updates and a list of T codes which I cracked and maintained right from enterprise structure till billing with updated activities. I'll be sharing all by email. So everybody don't miss out these last sessions of what we are left out with 1 and 1.5. More informative, more updated, more latest things, and more cross functionality related. All right. Thank you all and see you on Monday, everybody.